a few more features are the tools down here at the bottom. You have your pen, which you can click on, and it will bring up a menu. You can change the width of what you're writing. You can change the color. You can come back and highlight. You could highlight your stuff. You also have an eraser. Let's make the eraser big. Oh.
Go to the shapes. Yeah.
Oh, gotta change my color. I noticed using the button is very helpful with the pen. It definitely makes it work a lot better. You also have this little double arrows down here at the bottom. That will switch your split screen. If you click on that, you can change which side you have it on. I prefer it this way. You can still come over here and interact with your computer screen. So you could pull something up for the kids to see over on this side while you're working on that side.